Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Let me start off by wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day. So, what are you preparing for your Valentine today? I am making a red velvet lava cake for my family and I thought you'd like this recipe too. So, let's get started. Take 4 ounces or 115 grams of softened cream cheese in a bowl. To that add 1/4 cup of cream and whisk well. Once that's done, you can add another 1/4 cup of cream and whisk it till it's well combined. We do this so that the cream doesn't splash around when we are mixing it with the cream cheese. Add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and whisk well. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk till it's well combined. Transfer this into a freezer safe container and freeze it for at least 4 hours to overnight. This mix can stay in the freezer for a whole week. This is going to be the lava to our cake. Now take a ramekin and line it with parchment paper, or you can butter it instead and keep it aside. Now in another bowl, take half cup of milk and microwave it for 30 seconds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar and keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add a few drops of red food color and mix well. Keep this aside. This is what's going to make our cake red. Now in a bowl, take 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Add half cup of sugar and mix well. Then add 1 egg and whisk till it is light and fluffy. So this will take about a minute or two of continuous whisking. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. This is going to be our butter mixture. In another bowl, take 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. To that, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix this till it's well combined. This is our dry mix. Now add the dry mix to the butter and egg mixture and stir it till it's almost combined. Then pour the milk mixture and whisk it till it is a lump-free batter. Now fill the ramekin with a little bit of batter. Add a scoop of the lava in the center. Then cover it with a bit more batter. Tap the ramekin a little bit just to release any of the air pockets and the air bubbles. Then bake it for 18 to 22 minutes at 325 until the cake is cooked through. Now don't use the tester in the middle of the cake because that's where our lava is. So you can test it along the edges or the sides. Let it cool for 5 minutes before demolding or have it right out of the ramekin. But make sure to serve it warm. Enjoy the oozy, creamy red velvet cake with the cream cheese lava. It is my absolute favorite. I hope you liked this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos from us. Until next time, happy cooking.